There is this hill that I can see, well, everyone can see. There is this hill, and on the top of the hill, there is this view tower. And I always sort of wanted to go there and see how it looked like from the viewpoint. And I'm at that viewpoint. So I always used to imagine how it would look from the top. I had this imagination of how it could look like, and when I came here, I actually saw how it looked like. And when I compared these two things, there is this huge gap. But the point is, does it matter what your imagination was and how the reality turned out to be? Because when you come to think of it, it may not be a big deal, but what about big things in life? Career, marriage, jobs, money, success. We all have this imagination of what it would be the day we make it. But once you come to think of it, you realize that it's not what you imagined in the first place. It's a bit different. The nuts and bolts are few different. The vibe is a bit different. The feelings are not same. Sometimes you might be completely thrown off, realizing this is not what I wanted in the first place. So who is to blame really? Are you to blame for having such different or higher expectations in the first place? It doesn't matter, I guess. It only matters within you if you are okay with that or not. Sometimes you're not okay with the fact that it was different for you, it was not what you expected. This is what it is what it is, and whether you like it or not, you have to deal with it. So I always have these numerous ideas of making videos for YouTube, for this channel, and I always have this expectation of what I would probably make, and I sort of write down the ideas. I try to write some shots, I try to write a little bit of script, and I have these baselines that I established way before I even start the work sometimes. And once the work is set into motion, and once I begin to assess the preliminary progress, I'm not happy with it.
Exactly.
This particular video, it's inspired from Nathaniel Jew, and when I try to copy his approach to fit my needs, it's something not what I expected or imagined. That does not matter, I guess, in the end, as long as I'm able to deliver that message that I want to deliver. Do imagine how it's gonna be. Do have all sorts of imagination. Let your imagination run wild. The sky is the limit when you imagine things to be. But when you put in the work and try to bring that imagination into reality, understand this, that it's not gonna be 100% of what you imagined it. Truth be told, you don't even know what you imagined. It's very dreamy sort of feeling that you have within your head, and by constant practice, constant iteration is how you bring your imagination into reality. Until then, keep creating.